Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby, and this is part 2 of a video that I'm doing showing you step by step my morning routine as to how when I come downstairs and how I take care of my houseplants. And if you really want to see the whole process, I would suggest to pause this video here and go over and watch part 1 so you can see the whole entire step-by-step process. Otherwise, you can go and watch this video and then go over and watch part 1, which will be in the description box. So in part 1, I did the living room, and the video would have been too long if I had just added the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and a half bathroom. So now let's just head on over and see what I do when I get in my dining room and my kitchen and bathroom to my house plant. So let's get started. Now we're headed in this area right here. There is a snake plant that sits right here in this hall headed into my dining room, and I need to check it, and it seems to be doing good down there, and everything looks good. Okay, now you know I already opened up the blinds, so now I'm just going to turn the light on so you can see in here. And I'm going to start in the dining room. And the dining room, I'm just going to let you see it first and let you see where all the plants are. There's a plant over in that corner over there. That's a plant that sits on my dining table. I will be using tangerine colors this spring. I haven't finished decorating this table yet, but this is how I decorated it so far. And as you notice in my china cabinet, I'm going with the white and the tangerine color. I have some tangerine plates that I placed on top of the white plates in the china cabinet. Up on top of the china cabinet, there's 2 croton plants up there. And then on the right side, there is a pothos there. And right here on this buffet, there is a lucky bamboo. Okay, I'm going to start with this right here. I'm going to check the lucky bamboo, and I usually pick it up, and it sits in water, so it doesn't need any water in there. If it did, I will note it in my journal and come back and give it some water. Okay, I'm going to go, let me let you see which area I'm going to. I'm going to go right here to the right in my dining room where I have this pothos vine that's trailing down, which is real pretty. And I noticed that it has 1 yellow leaf. Okay, and I'm gonna write that in my journal. And then the soil is looking good in there. There's nothing in it that needs to be handled. Because it's so dark in this corner right here, I turned this plant here because it's not getting enough sunlight. So you want to make sure that you are turning your plants. I don't necessarily turn all of them in the living room because it gets light pretty much all around there. But this one here has to be turned. And I got to take care of that yellow leaf there. So I'm going to write it in my journal, but not right now. I just want to show you guys what I do. Now those up top there, I watered those on yesterday, so I know that they're fine. And I took care of everything that needs to be taken care of with them on yesterday. Okay, my beautiful, beautiful Petunia. Look at the beautiful veins that's in the white veins. Okay, I look down in the soil in it. Make sure that everything is okay. You probably can't see in there, but I can. There are no dead leaves in there. Everything looks good. The soil looks good. And it's very pretty sitting on my dining room table. I'm going over here to this other pothos over here. Some of you guys are going to say, oh, it's called pothos. I mean, hey, I call it pothos. All right. Okay, this one right here, I see that there is a leaf there. It's about to turn yellow. I'm going to leave it alone until it do it. But everything else about it seems to be good. And I want to turn it because, again, it doesn't get light over here in this corner. So I'm just going to turn the plant. Okay. Okay, I turn it so it can get light. I rotate it so it can get light everywhere. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you see my dining room again and see what you, let me put my pen up because I have to use this ink pen here to jot down in my journal. And here's my dining room decorated with houseplants. I know this video is sort of long, but I want to be able to show you what I do so you will know. And if you want to do that, it'll be a great thing for anybody that has a lot of houseplants to do this. Okay, we're going to enter my kitchen. And in my kitchen, the colors I'm using in my kitchen is yellow, orange, and lime green, and that's the colors that I'm using in my kitchen. Let you see my kitchen. Okay, we're gonna start here, and right here is a neon pothos. It's very pretty. Okay, it has a hanging hook on there because I think that I'm gonna place it somewhere else. I'm gonna hang this one. I'm not gonna take the hanging hook off of it. I just hadn't decided exactly where I'm going to place this. Right here in this corner right here is another snake plant. It sits there real pretty. It's in a pretty planter. Right? And I look down and it looks real clean down there. And on my countertop right here in the kitchen, I placed a pothos plant there, and it sits in a yellow pot. And it looks good. The plant looks good. The soil looks good. And so let me go ahead and go. There isn't a plant nowhere near the stove. But over here, let you all see what I do. Is a snake plant. I placed it in a green pot, a green planter, because you know that my colors are tangerine, yellow, and green. There's another snake plant sits there, so I'm gonna take a look at it. That one is okay. And that one there is okay. I usually do a thorough job than what I'm doing now, but for the sake of this video not being too long, you know, I just want to try to do it fast for you guys. And the next thing is on top of the refrigerator. There is a Marble Queen plant on top of the refrigerator, and I put it in a green planter. Now, I'm not going to get that down right now, because I also took care of that one yesterday because I knew I was going to be filming this. So I took care of it yesterday so I wouldn't have to take it up and up there, because I usually use a ladder to get it up and up there. Okay, guys. So I'm going to let you see my kitchen one more time. So now I'm going to show you my bathroom. It is a half bath that's located downstairs, and it's the only bathroom that's downstairs. And it's just a small half bath. What some people call the powder room. And in here, my colors are orange, teal, and white. And I place only one plant on the countertop here, and it is a golden pothos. And I'm going to look in it to check it to make sure everything is going good with it. And it looks good in there. And the leaves looks good. And then I'm going to go over. And also I want to let you know that this plant here is going to be moved out of the bathroom. Every day I move it from the bathroom because this is a low light area. And I place it in another part of the house that gets a little bit more light. because this is a very low light bathroom. And then every night I place it back in here. I also have a ZZ plant in this bathroom, which I do not remove. It can take the very low light in this bathroom, and it has been sitting here for a while and it is doing great. And everything looks very good on the soil. And I also have another plant at the bottom of this table, and it is a snake plant. Again, these two plants right here, they can tolerate very low light. And look at that, I have a new baby. And everything looks good on this plant right here. The soil is looking good, so I don't need to do anything to any of the plants in this bathroom. So let me let you see the bathroom again. Just wanted to show you my routine of what I do every morning to keep my plants healthy looking. Okay guys, that's it. And I'm going to be ending this video. I'm just going to show you my kitchen again, small amount. And here's the dining room. Okay guys, that's it. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And please share this video with your family on social media and your friends. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget to go and watch part 1. I'll see you in the next video. And remember that God is good all the time. Bye.